Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Saltillo back in, or not Saltillo, their name, Robert back in here from Saltillo, Mexico, and this is Robert's sixth and final adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief this week, and he came up here while the Astros are in the World Series. They're playing Game 2 tonight, so we hope Springer hits a few dingers tonight himself, including some grand slams to put the Astros up on top to
Good
get
luck,
back
JV.
even. Yeah, JV's pitching tonight.
Yep.
Verlander, he's a good one. Robert, would you tell our YouTube viewers about your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief this week? Because it's been pretty life-changing for you. Huh?
It has, actually. For the last 3 years, I've been experiencing a lot of back pain, debilitating, loss of muscle mass. I haven't been able to work out. I've seen some seeked out help, and it was a good experience, but it wasn't a full comprehensive experience. And this is something different. This is a whole new thing. I saw it on YouTube and immediately said, I need that. And
Yeah, most people instinctively know they need
yeah,
this.
it was intuitive.
Yep.
And then when it took me still about 8 months to to get everything in line to come up.
And watch a few more videos, make sure it was real,
Yeah,
right?
for sure. And you know, from other experiences, it was like, well, maybe it might go back into place. But when I saw it was a full body comprehensive adjustment, that it was no brainer. I came here knowing that it was going to work, and it has.
Yep.
This has changed my life. I can't say enough.
And praise the Lord for that.
Yep.
And you know, the thing that really differentiates the Johnson technique from any other technique is that I'm adjusting the body on the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis, but I'm not just adjusting the spine and pelvis. I'm adjusting shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, ankles, everything. So you're getting a full body adjustment, which fires off proprioceptive neurological afferent impulses into the cerebellum. Cerebellum analyzes that information and then sends messages back out to the body efferently to reorganize the musculoligamentous and biomechanical configuration of the entire body and its mechanics, because the cerebellum controls balance, posture, coordination, and all kinesthetic movement. So we are influencing the cerebellar function by adjusting all the joints, taking them through their fullest range of motion, achieving cavitation to the paraphysiological space, to the anatomical integrity of the ligament. And that's what makes me different, is I'm getting full range of motion on every joint every time.
Yes, I'm not just getting a small adjustment here and then still feeling pain here.
You're not getting that specific adjustment to C5 or T5.
Yep. No.
Yeah, I give specific chiropractors quite a bad time all the time,
but this has been amazing. It has really changed my life.
Great. Well, thank you for sharing your story with everyone, showing how we did that.
All right. Well, thank you.
Alrighty, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, Robert. And then back to neutral.
Much better balance.
Yes, sir. You're not weaving like you were that first day. Pelvis is right down the middle too. Okay, let's come over here and do the manual spinal neural decompression adjustment first on the y-axis, which he lovingly called the ring dinger. So for those of you who've been making the comments about me talking about my new table all this time, it's actually on our YouTube, Advanced Chiropractic Relief LLC community page. You can actually see the prototype of the new table. And we're ordering 100 of them right out of the chute.
What is the difference?
Tons of difference.
Okay.
This leg piece is automatic. You just push a button and it goes zoop up with no noise at all, no squeak at the end. I've got the piece that can, just a foot pedal raises and lowers the table, so for patients who have disabilities can get on them, lower them down.
Oh, wow.
And for doctors that are a little taller, they can raise the table up and get it
Like
better.
Dr. Bender was talking about.
Yeah. Well, he's a little smaller, so you want his to go down. but Dr. White up in Fort Worth, he needs his a little higher because he's taller. Yep. So we've already licensed 4 chiropractors in the state of Texas to do the manual spinal decompression ring dinger. There you go, perfect. And I'll be conducting seminars here in Houston, right here in this office and another office space that we have, teaching doctors how to do this, about biomechanics, biophysics. There you go, tilt right. That's it, moving better on that one.
Yeah. Much better.
You finally let me have your nap.
Yeah.
That was good.
First 2 were inbound grabs, just
Right.
tight.
Right. Most people that come in here are really tight.
Yeah.
Let me help you up here. There we go. We had a gentleman from Michigan was just here a little while ago, and he couldn't even bend or move at all.
Oh, that's probably originally from.
He had concrete oatmeal for breakfast. Legs are even, and they stay even. That shouldn't have tightened up in your low back at all.
Not at all. Which is amazing.
There's L5, L4, L3, L2, L1, T12. Yeah. You still got plenty of muscle tightness right here.
Yeah.
Those extension exercises that we gave you should help that though.
For sure.
No pain there, was there?
Nope.
Okay. She from Michigan originally, huh?
Yep.
Let's turn you in back. Nice and cool up there now, huh?
Yeah, Memphis, Michigan.
It's a pretty day here in Houston today.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
Amazing.
When Renee and I left the house this morning, it was 55 degrees. What's it, probably 80 something now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, slide down about half a minute. And put your arms out, yeah. There you go. That's it. Okay. There we go.
Every time.
Perfect. Yes, sir. Okay, let me help you up. You know, the reason people fly here from all over the world to get this technique done is because it's comprehensive. I do a comprehensive history, medical history, examination, orthopedic neurological examination, and comprehensive full body adjustments on the XYZ axes. For instance, this glenohumeral joint is the Y-axis. This elbow joint I'm adjusting is the Z-axis. So is this wrist. This is the Y-axis. He's got some problems with this right elbow, or left elbow,
Yeah.
from an old injury. There you go. But that's even feeling better, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, let's stand over here in front of the mirror. So if you'd like to be a patient here, just go to our website at advancedhoustonchiropractor.com and fill out a new patient request form, and Renee will get back to you within 48 hours. You didn't have a problem getting in here, did you?
None.
Yep. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. Wow, take a look at that, Robert.
Yeah.
I can't even improve on that anymore.
This is
That's just perfect posture, three-dimensionally, on the X-axis, the Y-axis, and the Z-axis. You are good to go.
when I first came in, it was.
You were all slumped forward.
Yep.
We're just going to continue to enhance that by putting you in a mirror image and adjusting your atlas on the X-axis. This also sends neurological information right into the cerebellum. Okay, you can relax. Try that again. This should feel even smoother.
Oh yeah.
Cool deal.
Yep. Wow.
So, I mean, you came all the way here from Mexico. Is it worth the trip for you?
For sure.
Yeah.
And I'll be back.
Okay, good, good. Well, thank you for sharing your experiences with everyone this
No,
week,
definitely,
Robert.
thank you. And if you're searching out relief, watch the videos.
That's why we're called Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
Yep.
Because it is advanced, this technique.
There's nothing like it.
All right. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Robert from Mexico. We'll see y'all soon.
Good luck, Astros.
Yeah, go